Do you want to start a YouTube channel but you do not know where to begin? You are in the right place. In this video, we will go straight into the practical steps you need to take to start properly, grow with clarity, and build a channel that can become a real digital asset. At Entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneurs Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on Entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Now, let us get into the steps. Step 1. Choose a clear YouTube channel niche. The first thing you need to decide is your niche. Your niche is the main topic your YouTube channel will focus on. Think of it like choosing the road your channel will walk on. If you do not choose a road, you will keep turning left and right, and people will not know where you are going. Before you buy a camera or design a logo, ask yourself this simple question: what will my channel be known for? Will it be business education, personal finance, food, technology, fitness, beauty, career advice, farming, parenting, or travel? Your answer gives your channel direction. Do not make the mistake of talking about everything. If today you post about cooking, tomorrow you post about football, next week you post about money, and after that you post about skincare, viewers will be confused. YouTube will also struggle to understand who should see your videos. A focused channel is easier to grow because people know why they should subscribe. A good niche should have 3 things. You should care about it enough to keep creating. You should know something about it, or be willing to learn deeply. And people should be interested in it enough to search, watch, and possibly spend money around it. Where your interest, knowledge, and market demand meet, you have a stronger niche. Step 2. Define the audience for your YouTube channel. After choosing your niche, the next step is to define your audience. Your niche answers what your channel is about. Your audience answers who you are creating for. This is important because you are not making videos for topics. You are making videos for people. Do not say your channel is for everybody. When you speak to everybody, you often connect deeply with nobody. Imagine calling out in a crowd and saying, "Hello everybody." Many people may ignore you. But if you say, "Hello small business owner who wants to sell more online," the right person will pay attention. Picture one person you want to help. How old is this person? Where do they live? Are they a student, professional, parent, entrepreneur, or beginner? What problem are they trying to solve? What result do they want? What do they already understand, and what do they still find confusing? For example, saying your content is for people who want to make money is too broad. Saying your content is for young professionals who want to start a side business with low capital is clearer. Now you know the examples to use, the questions to answer, and the language to speak. Step 3. Set up and optimize your YouTube channel properly. Once your niche and audience are clear, you can set up your channel properly. Do not treat this part as a small formality. Your YouTube channel is like your digital shop front. Before people enter a shop, they look at the name, the signboard, and the arrangement. Before people subscribe to your channel, they look at your name, banner, profile picture, description, and videos. Choose a channel name that is simple, clear, and easy to remember. A name like Smart Money with Daniel is clearer than Daniel 123 TV because it immediately tells us something about the topic and the person behind it. Simple names are easier to remember. Clear names are easier to trust. Your About section should also be clear. Do not just write, "Welcome to my channel." Say who the channel is for and what viewers will learn. For example, this channel helps beginner entrepreneurs learn how to start, grow, and manage a profitable business using simple step-by-step guides. That sentence tells people exactly what to expect. Then add clean branding. Use a clear profile picture. It can be your face or a simple logo. Add a banner that explains the value of your channel in one sentence. Add useful links where necessary, such as your website, newsletter, shop, services, or social pages. When people land on your channel, they should understand your value quickly. Step 4. Start with simple YouTube equipment. Many people do not start because they think they need a big camera, studio lights, and expensive editing tools. That is not true. You can start with what you already have. If you have a good smartphone, you can begin. Use natural light from a window. Sit where the light is in front of you, not behind you. Keep your phone steady with a tripod or something safe and stable. Make sure your background is neat enough so it does not distract people. The most important thing to improve first is your audio. If people cannot hear you clearly, they will leave. Your video can look simple, but your sound must be clear. A small lapel microphone or beginner microphone can make a big difference. For editing, start simple. Editing is not about adding too many effects. Editing should remove mistakes, cut long pauses, improve sound, add captions, and help the viewer follow easily. You can start with beginner-friendly tools and upgrade later when your work demands it. Step 5. Plan YouTube videos people want to watch. Once your channel is set up, do not just record anything that comes to mind. Uploading is not the same as building. Uploading means putting videos online. Building means every video has a purpose. Start by planning your first 10 to 15 videos before you publish the first one. This gives your channel direction. One video alone does not build a channel. A group of connected videos helps YouTube understand your topic and helps viewers understand why they should subscribe. Every video should solve a clear problem. Before recording, ask yourself, what will the viewer learn? Why does it matter? What question am I answering? What should the viewer do after watching? If you cannot answer these questions, the video idea may not be clear enough yet. Also, make your videos easy to follow. Start with a strong opening that tells people what they will learn. Then explain your points in a clear order. Use simple examples. End with a clear takeaway. A confused viewer leaves. A guided viewer stays. Step 6. Use strong hooks to keep viewers watching. YouTube pays attention to how people behave when they watch your video. If people click and leave quickly, that is a bad sign. If people click and stay, that is a good sign. This is why your hook matters. Your hook is the beginning of your video. It should quickly tell viewers why they should keep watching. Do not waste the first 20 seconds with long greetings. Go straight to the problem and the promise. For example, instead of saying, "Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, today I just want to talk about YouTube." Say this, "If you want to start a YouTube channel, but you are confused about niche, equipment, and monetization, this video will show you the right steps. That kind of opening helps the viewer understand the value immediately. It also makes the video feel organized from the beginning. Step 7. Focus on evergreen YouTube content first. When you are starting, focus more on evergreen content. Evergreen videos are videos people can keep searching for over time. Examples include how to start a YouTube channel, how to write a business plan, how to save money, how to sell online, and how to start a side business. Trends can bring quick attention, but evergreen content builds long-term value. A trendy video may perform for a few days. A helpful evergreen video can continue bringing viewers for months or years. This does not mean you should ignore trends completely. It means your foundation should be built on topics that will still matter later. Build a library of useful videos that answer important questions in your niche. Step 8. Optimize every video with YouTube SEO. SEO simply means helping people find your videos when they search. Do not let the word sound too big. It is simple. Before recording, type your topic into the YouTube search bar and look at the suggestions. Those suggestions show what people are already searching for. For example, if you type how to start a YouTube channel, you may see phrases like how to start a YouTube channel for beginners, how to start a YouTube channel with your phone, or how to start a YouTube channel and make money. Use this information to shape your video title and content. A weak title is My YouTube Journey. A stronger title is How to Start a YouTube Channel in 2026 for Beginners. The stronger title is clear, searchable, and useful. Your thumbnail also matters. The thumbnail is the picture people see before they click. Make it simple, bold, and easy to understand on a phone. Your title should give clarity, and your thumbnail should create interest. Your description should explain the video clearly. Use your main keyword naturally in the first few lines. Add helpful links and related resources. Do not stuff keywords everywhere. Write like a human, but write with strategy. Step 9. Publish, study your data, and improve. Publishing your video is not the end. It is the beginning of learning. Every video gives you feedback. Check your click-through rate. This tells you whether people are clicking your title and thumbnail. Check your average view duration. This tells you whether people are staying. Check your audience retention. This shows where people leave. Check your traffic sources. This tells you where your views are coming from. Think of analytics like a report card. If people leave in the first 20 seconds, your hook needs work. If many people see your video but do not click, your title or thumbnail needs work. If people stay for a long time, your structure is working. Do not be afraid of the numbers. Use them to improve. In one video, improve your hook. In another video, improve your thumbnail. In another video, improve your sound. Small improvements become big growth over time. Step 10. Monetize your YouTube channel strategically. Many people start YouTube because they want to make money. That is fine. But you must understand that YouTube monetization is not only about ads. To earn ad revenue from YouTube, you need to meet the YouTube Partner Program requirements. At the time of writing, this means 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months or 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. But do not wait for ads before thinking like a business. You can earn through affiliate marketing by recommending useful products. You can work with sponsors when you build trust. You can sell digital products, services, courses, templates, or memberships. You can also build an email list so your audience can hear from you outside YouTube. The most important thing is trust. If people trust you, monetization becomes easier. If they do not trust you, they will not buy, click, join, or recommend you. So serve first. Teach clearly. Be honest. Solve real problems. Step 11. Be patient with your YouTube growth. YouTube growth takes time. Do not post 5 videos, see slow results, and conclude that YouTube does not work. Your first few months are for learning. You are learning your audience, your voice, your editing style, your titles, your thumbnails, and your content structure. From 3 to 6 months, you may begin to see early movement if you are consistent. 1 or 2 videos may start performing better. Your click-through rate may improve. More people may begin to recognize your channel. From 6 to 12 months, your video library begins to matter. The more useful videos you have, the more chances people have to find you. One video can lead people to another. That is how growth compounds. Think long-term. Many creators only begin to understand their audience properly after 30, 50, or even 100 videos. Your early videos are not wasted. They are part of your training. Step 12. Avoid common YouTube beginner mistakes. Before we conclude, let us look at common mistakes you should avoid. Do not choose a broad niche. Do not wait for perfect equipment. Do not post inconsistently. Do not use weak thumbnails. Do not start videos slowly. Do not ignore analytics. Do not copy big creators blindly. Do not focus only on subscribers. Do not quit too early. Do not rely only on ad revenue. Most of these mistakes come from short-term thinking. People want quick results, so they skip the foundation. But YouTube rewards clarity, consistency, and continuous improvement. If you avoid these mistakes early, your journey becomes easier to manage. Not always easy, but clearer and more predictable. So, if you want to start a YouTube channel, begin with clarity. Do not wait until everything is perfect. Start simple, but start properly. You can read the full guide on how to start a YouTube channel on Entrepreneurs.ng, https://entrepreneurs.ng/how to start a YouTube channel/. The link is in the description. At Entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneurs Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on Entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Subscribe to this channel, follow Entrepreneurs.ng, and keep building. We are rooting for you.